Today we are going to talk about compound probability and sample spaces. Probability models is just a way of listing out all of the possibilities or creating a sample space. Probability models show the outcome of a random process. There's three types. There's just making a random list of all the outcomes, a table, or a tree diagram. They have advantages and disadvantages. So our first type is just to list all the possible outcomes. So the question says, I can wear jeans or dress pants or sweatpants, and I can wear a t-shirt or a dress shirt. What are all the possible combinations? So I can wear my jeans with a tee, and I can wear my jeans with a dress shirt. I can wear my dress pants with a dress shirt. I can wear my dress pants with a tee. I can wear my sweats with a tee. And I don't know why you would, but I could wear sweats with a dress shirt. I don't know why anyone would do that, but you know, it is a possibility. Those are the 6 possibilities. So then once you've listed the possibilities, you can start to ask some probability questions around the probabilities. You can ask things like, how many different possibilities, what's the probability of me wearing something with a dress outfit? And I would say there's 1, 2, 3, 4 with dress outfits out of 6. And you can ask things like that. Okay, so then we go to a tree diagram. So if I'm going to spin the spinner 3 times, the first time I spin the spinner, my options are red, yellow, or blue. And if I get a red the first time, then I spin it again. And the second time I can get a red, a yellow, or a blue. If I spin it this way, I could get a red, a yellow, or a blue. If I get the blue the first time, I can get a red, a yellow, or a blue. Advantage of this method is it's really easy to list them all, and it works really good when you have 3 or 4 different things going on. Disadvantage of this method is it is really time consuming because you're writing red, yellow, and blue over like a bajillion times, or whatever the probability might be. Okay, so if I wanted to find the probability of all red, it's only the probability of red would be 1, because there's only 1 that's all red, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if I want to find the probability of getting 1 red and 1 blue, well, 1 red and 1 blue is right here, this one, or right here, the blue and the red and blue, red, blue and red, so that'd be 2 out of 9. Okay. The third option is the table. And the table option, we can say, I'll list our possibilities. So you spin a spinner of blue, red, yellow, and flip a coin, heads and tails. So I can get blue and heads. I can get blue and tails. I can get reds and heads. I can get reds and tails. I can get yellow and heads. And I can get yellow and tails. Those are my 6 options, and then I can have them nicely listed in a cute little table. Advantage here is it's very, very organized. Disadvantage is it only works with 2 things. When you start adding 3 and 4 things, it doesn't work. Compound probability. If you don't list a sample space, you can just multiply the probability. So if you have 3 things, the first event is A, probability second event is B, third is C. You just times them, 0.5 times 0.5, and the probability would be 0.25. So if I want to know the probability of getting 5 heads, so the probability of getting a head the first time is, let me get a pen. Probability of getting a head the first time is 1 out of 2. Probability of getting a head the second time is 1 out of 2. Probability of getting a head the third time is 1 out of 2. And the 4th time, and the 5th time. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. 1 out of 32. So let's look at another one and kind of analyze it. So let's say that my name is Jose. And I want to know what is the probability of getting a J and an S in any order. Well, the probability of getting a J is 1 out of 4. So the first time I have a 1 out of 4. The probability of getting an S is also 1 out of 4. That'd be 1 out of 16. However, it could be opposite because I could get S and J. So this would be JS, but S first is 1 out of 4. J is 1 out of 4. So the probability of SJ is 1 out of 16. Probability of JS is 1 out of 16. And because the order doesn't matter, 1/16 plus 1/16 is 2/16 or 1/8. Different way of thinking about it. That's one way. The second way of thinking about it, you could say the first time I could get a J or an S. So there's actually 2 possibilities the first time out of 4 possibilities. The second time, there's only 1 possibility left out of the 4 possibilities because the J, if I get the JJ, it's not going to be JS, so I can't get the J the second time. So I still have the 4 tiles to choose from, but only 1 that will give you what I want, and that gives me 2 out of 16 as well. So 2 different approaches to that problem. All right, you've got this. Reach out. Let me know if you need any help, and have a great day.